This beeswax has been used a lot, and so there's little bits of thread on it, but that's okay. Take your thread and place it between the beeswax and your thumb. Grab the tip of the thread and pull while keeping a firm hold with the other hand. How you wax your thread is not about how hard you push, but how the friction of pulling the thread through will heat up the wax and melt it to your thread. And I pull my thread through about 3 or 4 times until I'm happy with it. You're going to feel the thread get more waxy and grippy. But what happens if you have a really dark thread or you notice there just is too much wax? An easy fix is to take a shirt or some other fabric that doesn't have a lot of fibers and pull your thread through, just as if you're waxing it, but you're just using the shirt. You'll notice the wax is coming off on the shirt. This is how I remove wax when I get too much or the thread is super dark and the wax is showing up too much. Want to use your newly waxed thread to sew a book? Check out this video. Thanks for watching.